Hi students, all of you welcome. Students, how to prepare for RRB JE CBT-2 exam? What is the best preparation strategy? If any educator want to give preparation strategy for any of the examination, he must crack that exam previously. Then only he can give a very good strategy. I am Sunil Kumar Bandaru. I have cracked RRB JE examination in 2019. And not only RRB JE examination, I have cracked so many like SSC JE, BSNL JE, Prasar Bharati Engineering Assistant, Sale Management Trainee, and many more. And I have worked previously in Unacademy Plus, and I have given classes for 1000 plus students, and so many students got selected in various government jobs. Now coming to preparation strategy of RRB JE CBT-2, you need to follow a very good strategy, that is a script strategy. Script strategy. What is this script strategy? Watch this video completely, then you will get a very good idea. Okay, so coming to the first one, yes for syllabus, guys. Yes for syllabus. So here, first of all, the very important thing is you have to download the syllabus, guys. First of all, download the syllabus. That is a very important thing. After that, take printout. Okay, and read it at least 2 to 3 times. Okay, don't read just one time, read at least 2 to 3 times, then you will get a very good idea about the syllabus. Okay, so what are the topics you have? The second thing is, don't go for directly preparing the subjects. So before that, download the previous papers. Download the previous papers. This is the very good strategy, guys. Okay, so if you download the previous papers and you need to read at least 4 to 5 papers. Okay, just go roughly. Okay, just read roughly 4 to 5 previous papers. Then you will get the idea about how the questions are framing. Okay, how the questions framed and what is the difficulty level. And also you will get the idea important topics or important subjects where you need to focus more. Okay, so if you read the previous papers, you will get a very good idea on questions frame, difficulty level, important topics and subjects. Okay, now can we go to the subjects? No. Then the third thing is nothing but just check previous cutoff, previous year cutoff. Okay, so if you check the previous year cutoff, then you will get the idea how the competition is, how much marks you need to get. Okay, so if you follow these three, then you will get a very good idea on the exam. Okay, a very good idea on the exam. Download the syllabus, print out and read at least 2 to 3 times. This is the must and should, guys. Okay, and the second thing, download the previous papers and read just roughly. No need prepare of these papers, just read roughly, then you will get the idea about the exam levels and all those. Okay, the third thing, check the previous year cutoff. Okay, so this is under yes. Okay, now coming to the second one, what is this? C for content. C for content, that means subjects. What are the subjects you have? That subjects of theory or MCQs and whatever it may be. Okay, so let us take about the content. Okay, so you need to gather the content. You need to gather full subjects content. Okay, then only you can easily start the preparation. Correct. So some of the students just take that somehow one subject textbooks and trying to read the topics in that textbooks. That is very bad idea, guys. Why? Because we have very less time. In this less time, and again starting from textbook means we may not complete the syllabus. We may not practice. So that is a bad idea. So then what you need to do? You need to do follow any gate notes or IES notes, or if you have any SSC JE notes. Okay, it is the better SSC JE. If you have any SSC JE notes, so it is the better thing. Okay, so gather the notes. If you are belongs to electrical, if you belongs to electrical engineering, then you can download the notes from our website sunil-engineering-academy.com. Here you can get 6 subjects, both theory plus MCQs. You can download the notes from this, so then you can simply get the content. If you belongs to civil or electrical, you can take any others SSC JE notes or IES notes or gate notes. Okay, so that means short notes will give you a very good idea about the subject, and also you can complete within less time. Okay, so the first thing you need to gather the full subject content. Okay, and after that start preparation. Okay, you need to start your preparation. So complete each and every subject. Complete each and every subject. Okay, so you have already a short notes, no need to make again a short notes. Still you want, you can make your own notes. Okay, if you have the time, you can make your own notes. Okay, so then after this, what you need to do? Okay, after completion of all the subjects, you need to follow the next strategy. What is the next strategy? R for revision. Revision strategy. Okay, so you have completed total subjects. After the subjects, you need to go with the revision. Revision is very important, guys. Okay, so do the revision of all the subjects, then your subject topic is completed. Okay, so after the revision, what you need to do? I for improvement. Improvement. If you have the time, then you can go to improvement of your subjects by internet. Okay, if you don't have the notes of any particular topic, then you need to search in the Google. Okay, you will get a very good content in the Google. Okay, so with a lot of explanation, or go to YouTube. Okay, for electrical students, you can visit our Sunil Engineering Academy YouTube channel. In that, you will get a lot of playlist. In that playlist, you can get topic-wise MCQs. Okay, so if you are belongs to civil or mechanical, you can visit any YouTube channel of belongs to your category and try to search topic wise MCQs. Okay, so through that you can get a very good knowledge of the subject, and also can get a very good practice. So you can improvement through the internet by Google or YouTube or any other online platform. Okay, so you need to improve the subject. So you have completed the syllabus. Okay, so you have read the syllabus and you have completed all the subjects, and you have revised and you have improved your subjects. Now the very important thing, guys, it is a very important thing, that is P for practice. P for practice. You need to practice the MCQs. Okay, you need to practice the MCQs. Practice makes man perfect. You know very well about that. You are very intelligent, guys. I know that. Okay, so how you practice? For electrical students, you can download the MCQs, topic wise MCQs from our website, and you can practice all those. Okay, and the second thing, you need to buy one book, that is SSC JE previous papers the two topic wise. Okay, so don't take year wise, by through topic wise and practice this. This is a very important for any of the JEE examinations. Okay, any of the JEE examinations, not only RRB JEE, any of the JEE examinations, you must practice the questions from SSC JEE previous papers. Still you have the time, sir, I have more time, I want to get 100% score. Then you can, if you have more time, then go with the youth publications book. Youth publications book. Okay, in that you will get a number of questions. Okay, thousands of questions. Then you can practice those to get more knowledge. But according to myself, this much of not needed. This is the enough. Okay, so a small topic, that means small content, and revise the content several times will give a very good score. Okay, and you feel very light. Okay, correct or not? So you must practice the SSC JEE previous papers, or that is also a topic wise. I will give the link in the description box. You can buy that books from that links. Okay. So if you are belongs to civil, you can buy your civil category, or a mechanical category. Electrical, all the electrical students must buy these notes, these topic wise MCQs from Sunil Engineering Academy. After completion of that, then you can buy this one and practice that one. Okay, so now you got a very good knowledge in the subject and you got practiced. Then what is the next thing you need to do? What is this T last? Test series, very important thing. This plays a very key role for the selection. Okay, if you have completed all this, then you will get a very good score. But if you go with the test series, then you will become a top. Okay, so test series will plays a very important role. Okay, so don't forget this test series. You can buy this test series from any of the online platform. Okay, so at least practice 4 to 5 mark test. So what is the important use of this mark test? Okay, that questions may not comes in the examination, that is not a matter. Okay, so through this mark test, what you can get idea? Time management. This is the most important thing. Okay, so many students suffer in this part, so they have good knowledge. If you ask any question in the classroom, he can give the answer, but at the examination he may not have the time to solve that question. Okay, so the students who got answer in the examination hall itself will become a topper, will get a job. Okay, the students who given the answer in the classroom, that is not that much of important, correct or not? So ultimately we need to get the job. So for getting the job, the time management is very important. Okay, that time management you can get only from the mark test. Only from the mark test. Okay, so and through this mark test, you can also get your brain management. You can get the brain management. You can adapt your brain according to the examination pattern. According to the examination pattern and according to the time. Okay, then your brain will automatically work sharply. Okay, so you need to complete all the questions within very less time, means your brain will work very faster if you do the mark test. Okay, so mark test is also very important. So what is our strategy to crack RRB JEE exam? All of you say loudly, what is that? Script strategy, syllabus, content, revision, improvement, practice, test series. Okay, so if you go with script strategy, you surely get into the job. That is grand sure, guys. Okay, there is no doubt on this. There is no doubt on this. Not only this exam, if you want to prepare for any of the examination, any of the government job, you need to follow the same strategy. First of all, syllabus. Okay, and then content, and then revision, and then improvement of that subject, and then practice, and then test series. Okay, So follow this strategy and get the job. All the best, guys. And all the electrical students, if you want this content, you need to download from sunnilengineeringacademy.com. So if you open this website, first video you will get how to download the PDF. Watch that 1 minute video, then you will get the idea how to download. Okay, all the best, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and please share this session to all your friends. Okay, thank you so much.